Good afternoon all. Today we are gathered here for discussion on design thinking approach on development. Let's start the discussion.
So, so to enter in the topic of navigate, you know, what is it? So basically, something that about the problem solving, which we have using statistics. Can anyone say what is statistics?
Can we define ideas?
So the first part I think we should be with the customers and currently getting different.
Say, thinking from the customer's perspective.
Yes, it's right. Thinking from the customer's perspective. So we can get some many points of complaints from the customers. So on this, the major problem that we can able to see is coming into the different points of view to take a major problem that every is getting done. So to prefer more ideas on these platforms is the idea where the implementation of hardware or software can be used in the prototype. In the prototype part, we should execute with the help of many hardware applications the same and a structured one to make the customers to get on their in the testing part, we should evolve in this way and to check the feedback. So in empathy, in the earlier days about in the upcoming part of the I think we have mechanical things. So everything is in control of mechanical. So it could be very hard to come or evolve in this generation. So the logic gates has been invented due to this part. So all the things we can't do in the mechanical thing. So it leads to more manpower. So and it leads more time consumption. So to solve these problems, we are getting some different points. So the major problem is how to overcome the mechanical part into a electric part using logic gates. Okay. Next part.
Define. Logic gates are the basic building block of digital electronic circuit. They perform logical operations on one or more binary input and produce a single binary output. The input and output of the logic gates are in the form of binary numbers 0 and 1. 0 represent false and 1 represent true or false. We have some set of rules like truth table. Truth table shows how the output is determined by the input. We have some logic gates are commonly used logic gates and or and not. In addition, like XOR, NOR, NAND, and XNOR. We use logic gates widely as computers to design computers and
so in the evolution, we are seeing that more number of games are missing in many electronic components. So these made the time very easier to get into another work. So in computers, in the latest evolutions, we have seen in 2.6, it is coming into our hand. So this is the evolution of logic gates, not about the electronic components. So it is a very beautiful topic where you can play with zeros and ones. We get some periods. So AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate are the basic gates being. So AND gate is the operation of addition, and OR gate is the operation of multiplication, and NOT gate is used as an inverter. So in NAND and NOR, we can say it is a combination of gate and NAND. So these are called the universal gates. The XOR gate and XNOR gate are the operator where we can use in many several applications. So in comparing the amplifiers with other electronic components, we will use these components using these logic gates. So in the prototype part, we will see deeper the prototype.
Yeah, next prototype. First of all, prototype what is prototype? We have using a project and last we have working for implement process. For example, traffic light. I don't know about traffic light.
Yes, traffic light is a very big example for these scale.
Yeah, and red means stop, and yellow means ready to go, green means go. Yeah, first of all, using of logic gates, we have implement a traffic signals. First of all, ungate to on or off a green light or any signals. The ungate is adding of lights and the delay increase. and next OR gate. And OR gate is used to maintain vehicles and to maintain the input signals. And the NOT gate is to combine all other signals and to maintain all other pulses. And at last, we are using flip-flops. Flip-flops and its logic gates are combined into one states. First of all, we know about ancient formula, right formula. E is equal to MC square. Yeah. It's like ancient formula based using traffic signals anymore digital signals or manually using signals. All other signals using of only logic gates. First of all, and next logic gate is flip-flop is using logic gates and flip-flops to combine and giving a signal for the inputs to combine one component or opticals. We are using many opticals in traffic signals. And final outputs or final prototypes, we are using traffic signal to much more than give keep upon 3 lights. We are controlling a traffic signals in a light.
Not only in traffic signals, we use in small security systems we are using. So these logic gates perform various operations in all over the world. So about the test part, what are the outputs we get using these logic gates?
Applications, logic gates plays a major role in digital electronics because we can't use analog electronics as always, right? So digital electronics, it has been updated. As he said, the traffic light, when the timer was going on, if the timer is, the signal should be changed from red to green. Yeah, in which PM it is valid. It is using logic gate. If the logic of that timer is ended, it will be changing from red signal to green signal. Yeah, by these empathy 5 stages, we can realize any problems and we can find a solution and we can prototype and test it.
In this digital electronics topic, I want to add some points. That is, in analog part, we can't always carry a bare limits. So analog is very dangerous because it is used in a routine. Yeah, it is different from instant. One side, it is this part. If someone uses it wrong, we can't identify the signals. In digital electronics, we can easily identify the signals coming in way. It is right. So this is about the design thinking part where the logic gates is very easier compared with mechanical design when consumption is very low and time is also very low when using this. This is about the video.
We have a discussion about designing an approach on logic gates. People beautifully explain different things in the design thinking. So when we apply design thinking in any program, we will be more reliable, it will be more intuitive, it will be more simplistic. Thank you all for your valuable comments.
Thank you.